Thank you, co-chairs, Mr. Presidents, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, for the opportunity to join this important dialogue, all protocols observed. The challenges we face today are global and complex. No single government or organization can solve them alone. International cooperation is crucial, but equally important is the participation of civil society and the private sector. At Microsoft, we have seen how digital technology can drive progress towards sustainable development goals. But technology must be more than just powerful, must be trustworthy, safe, and inclusive. It's only when technology empowers everyone, especially the most vulnerable, that we can fully unlock its potential. This belief drives our efforts. This is why we have developed open-source map of agricultural land to improve food security, offering vital insights into where food is grown and what crops are cultivated. In some areas, AI isn't just a solution, but it's the only solution. For instance, diabetic retinopathy is the leading cause of blindness worldwide. With 450 million people suffering from diabetes, but only 200,000 ophthalmologists globally, it's impossible for doctors to diagnose every case. Here, AI offers a scalable solution that can transform healthcare and lives. We are also proud to partner with the United Nations on Early Warning for All initiative. In natural disasters, every minute counts. Timely information can mean the difference between life and death. By combining satellite AI and human expertise, we have supported real-time relief efforts with partners like University of Washington, the Institute of Health Metrics, and Planet Labs. But no early warning system can help the 2.6 billion people who remained unconnected. That's why we have partnered with Doreen and her team at the ITU to map vulnerable, unconnected communities, ensuring everyone has access to emergency notifications. At Microsoft, we believe that benefits of AI and technology should extend to every part of the world. We can't afford to repeat the mistakes of the past where general-purpose technology took too long to reach those who need it the most. Nearly 150 years after electricity was first introduced in New York, 750 million people still lack access to it, and a third of the world remains offline, including up to two-thirds of Africa. In the digital age, these delays are unacceptable. That's why Microsoft is committed to making AI and technology accessible to all, especially in the Global South. As part of our pledge to the ITU's Partner to Connect initiative, we will bring high-speed internet to 250 million people by 2025, including 100 million in Africa. This will connect more people to healthcare, education, and economic opportunities while promoting safe digital practice and fundamental rights. But connectivity alone isn't enough. People need the skills to use AI effectively. That's why, by 2025, we are committed to equipping 25 million people with AI skills, with a special focus on underserved communities, including 5 million women and individuals in the Global South. As connectivity grows, we must also strengthen cybersecurity. Governments and tech companies must work together to create a safer digital world. Collaboration is essential. Looking ahead, I hope the summit lays the foundation for a global framework for AI governance with human rights as its core. At Microsoft, we remain committed to expanding access to digital infrastructure and skills, ensuring the benefits of AI reach everyone. Thank you.
I thank the Corporate Vice President and Chief Data Scientist of the AI for Good Lab at Microsoft.